Dino's Workshop.
Hey up and welcome back to the channel. Right, today's project is to build storage in this area here. Now what I've done, I've been to the big box store. I've bought 2 sheets of 18mm OBS or OSB, whatever it is. OSB 3 because my understanding is with that stuff it's alright in sort of dampish areas, and then not as the garage is damp anyway, but anyway it's in a garage area. And then I've bought 15 lengths of 3x2 timber, although it's slightly smaller than that. It's that CLS stuff. So anyway, I'm building it out of that. There's going to be 4 shelves on it. It's going on this wall here. It's going to be 8 foot long ish by about 6 foot high. Now what I'm going to do is build this storage here, and then the idea is I'm going to do the same in time across this wall here, to basically put some storage in the garage, because there is none. We've got these metal racks and what have you, but they're just ain't enough of them, and it works out cheaper I think to build these. But what I'll do at the end of it, I'll give you the overall cost, what it's cost to do in effect an 8 foot length. It ain't cheap, but it is what it is. Anyway, let's get building. Right, the first thing that I want to do, which I could have had this cut at the big box store and had these ripped down, but I never thought. Anyway, these timbers that I'm using, which are underneath, are 2400 long. These sheets are 2440. Now, ideally, I want them 2440. Sorry, 2400 to match them. So anyway, I'm going to have to lob 40mm off the end of them. Like I say, if I'd have realised, I'd have had them cut at the big box store, save me cutting them, but it's no big deal. I'll get it done anyway, and that's first job, get all them cut down to 2400. Right, them are all cut. So now they should be the same length as the CLS timbers I've got. Hopefully all them are 2400 because I haven't measured them. But anyway, we'll see. The screws that I bought for putting the boards to the timbers are these 40mm, 4.5 by 40mm from B&Q, box of 100, around about £4 I think they were, something like that. But that's what I'm going to use anyway. Right, next things to cut are these for across here. I'm just putting one across each end and one in the middle. Right, these are cut at 521. Now these other screws that I'm going to be using are 70mm long by 4.5mm. Again, for box of 100, these were about £6 if I remember right. Right, these boards here, or the side pieces, these here are 2400 long. The ones in between are around about 520, 521, 522. So the boards, the main shelves, I had cut at 600 wide by, well, the 2400 in the end because of what I trimmed off. But that's the size of the shelves now, 600 by 2400. Now then, with the legs, the shelves all being made up, 4 shelves, what I want to do is now fit the legs. Now I've cut the legs there, 6 foot long, or 2 meters they are. Now, what I'm basically going to do is build it upside down. So this one here, if you like, that is going to be the top. Now I've got this one underneath here, just purely to give me a flat edge, if you like. Anyway, the legs are going to come up here on all 4 corners, and then I shall fit some spacers, which are them spacers there, ready for the next shelf. So anyway, let's fit these legs on first and get them as upright as we can. Right, now I've got all 4 legs on. The next thing I'm going to do is put this piece in here. Now these are the offcuts from the legs, and that'll give me my second shelf down position, that will. So I've got 4 of them cut, round about nearly 400mm they are, about 395. Like I say, I'm utilising as much of the wood as I can, so I've got very little offcuts. Anyway, I'm going to fix them in all 4 corners now. Final shelf to go on now. I don't know if it's just me or what, but these shelves seem to get heavier each one that goes on. The unit's all built up now. Now what we've got to do is spin it over, so I'll have to make a bit of room here, shift all this stuff and get it spun over, but it's going to be a 2-man job do that. I'm not going to be able to do that on myself. So let's get some stuff shifted and then we'll spin it. Right, that's it. All built up. 6 foot high, 8 foot long, 600mm deep. It's cost about 125 quid to build that as. Give or take a few pennies. But 125 quid. I don't know what you think about it cost wise. I mean, it's got a fair bit of storage on it. It's all got to be loaded up now. So yeah, anyway, if you've watched this far, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.